I've tied my hair into a high pony because why not? I got shorter hair now. I can do that. The first thing first, you need to prep your lips. For that, I will be using the Baby Lips by Maybelline, or you can use this one by Nivea. I think I should go for this one today. I really like this lip balm, guys. Really like this. This is the original one, by the way. So now that I prepped my lips, next thing would be prepping your face. I'm using this one. I received this on my Vanity Cast box. This is Neem Caffeine Glow Gel with Aloe Vera. You can also use your tinted moisturizer, your sunscreen, something which gives you inner hydration and inner glow, which will keep you hydrated throughout the day, because we won't be layering up the makeup into that. So we want to make sure that our skin is glowing. I hope I'm making sense here. You can also use just simple aloe vera gel. Now that's done, the next thing would be applying a sunscreen. I cannot tell you enough how important it is to apply a sunscreen, guys. Do not head out without applying sunscreen. It is must. So the sunscreen which I'm using is by Bioderma. This is good for acne prone skin, so I will be using this one today, and this has SPF 30 in it. Taking a little bit of it into my hand, rubbing it with my fingers to warm up the product a little bit, and then apply it all over my face. So that's the base for today. I will be also using a foundation closer to my skin tone as a concealer. I prefer foundation as a concealer more than a concealer as a concealer. I don't know why. So the one I will be using is this one. You have seen this product so many times in my videos. I love to use this as a concealer to hide the pigmentation. So to hide the pigmentation, you want to make sure you are using the foundation or concealer which matches your skin tone, and not a concealer which is lighter to your skin tone. That is for highlighting your face, guys, not concealing your face. Again, I will just use it little bit under my eyes where I have got a slightest of pigmentation, and on my eyelids. I really like this product because this is in the matte form, so you don't have to apply a powder to lock up the base. Around my mouth a little bit because some pigmentation is there. Since the weather is changing, I'm breaking out a little bit around this area, so I will just try to conceal it a little bit. And I have a sunburn here at this spot, so I will try to conceal it. Just apply it wherever you feel you need a little bit of coverage, and that's it, guys. You don't want to apply it all over your face because we are going for an inner glow look. Okay guys, I couldn't tolerate that ponytail anymore. Now moving on to eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm using Maybelline New York Gigi Hadid eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade Gigi 41 Brown. I really like this pencil, guys. This has got that triangular shape to it, although I would have loved it if they would have added a spoolie to it. But it's okay. We'll just fill in the gaps in our eyebrows and not try to make it bushy. So the trick to filling in your eyebrows would be going in a lighter stroke, as light as you can go. And do not try to rush it. It's your eyebrows, guys. Don't try to rush it. And there you go, eyebrows are done, and they slightly look bushy right now. Wait, I'm just gonna run my fingers through them to make it look more natural, because I don't have a spoolie right now with me. So eyebrows are done. So now let's bring back some glow to our face. For that, I'm using True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator Plus Highlighter. This is by L'Oreal. I love this product because not just this gives you inner glow, but it doesn't make you look bang on your face glow. You know what I mean? You can use this as a base also, but I'm just going to use it as a highlighter for my face. And you will see in this video how much I love this product, because I will be just putting this all over my face. So I will be using this much of the product today, not more than this. To make my face glow, I'm going to apply it on the highest point of my face, that is my cheekbones. So you need to make sure that you're applying in a circular motion like this. So dotting it over and blend. So blend in a dab motion. You don't want to rub it into your face, it won't work. So blend in a dab motion. And I've put the highlighter into my cheeks a little bit because I wanted my face to have that glow, guys. On my nose, on the eyebrow arc area, Cupid's bow, and chin, and little bit here and here. And then whatever product is left, I will apply it all over the eyelids. So now moving on to eyeshadow, I will be using two eyeshadows, one a dark brown color and one a maroon shade. You can use any eyeshadows of your choice, but I think these two eyeshadows are a universal colors. They can complement any lipstick so well. So one eyeshadow will be used all over the eyelids, that is the dark brown color, and the next one will be used all over the lower lash line, just to define the lower lash line and give a smoky effect to it. It will make our skin and our face look lively, our eyes look beautiful. And obviously you can find these two colors on the base palettes we have all over India. Maybelline has it, Lakme has it. I'm using the Lakme illuminating palette today. So picking up the brown shade, dabbing up the excess, and then apply it all over the eyelids. Again, I'm using the dab motion, guys. See, that is a patting motion. And then blend the edges. Our eyes are almost done. At this point, you can use one extra color to complement your outfit the most. I'm wearing pink today, so I'm thinking to pick up this color and apply it just on the center of the eyelid. You can also use a gold color, silver color, something to match up to your dress. So moving on to mascara, and then the eyes will be completed. To lift up the eyelashes, I'm going to use this wand right here. This is the eyelash colors. This not only picks up the extra foundation or eyeshadow that was stuck into your eyelashes, but also curls your eyelashes. So that's why I like to use eyelash color before going on with mascara. So for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal mascara. This is their Volume Million Lash Extra Black Mascara. Love this. And I'm just going to apply it generously all over the upper and bottom lashes. I first like to go with the upper lashes, let it dry, and then go with the bottom. So now the mascara is drying, let's move on to the blush. The blush I'm using is by Master Blush Maybelline New York palette. This has got a 1 highlighter and 3 blush shade right here. I will be picking up this 2 shade right there, dabbing up the excess, apply it onto the cheeks of my face. And also, since I'm not contouring today my face, so I will try to push this product from here till here, you know, just below where we have applied the highlighter. I hope I'm making sense here. Our look is finally completed, guys. The lipstick which I will be using today is Nice to Fuchsia by Wet n Wild. This is their Catsuit lipstick, and I will apply this off camera. I will be right back. I really thought it would be harder for me to apply this lipstick on camera, but it did a pretty much good job. Really like the application of this lipstick. Really like the wand. Impressed. So the lipstick is drying right now, and this completes the look, guys. You can wear this look to your office parties, any Sangeet function, any wedding function, or just for a brunch date. So the second lip option would be applying a dark lipstick. I've applied the lipstick by PAC. This is PAC Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade 20. I think it complements the outfit the most, and yes, for the daytime wear you can apply the pink lipstick, but for the nighttime you can apply the dark lipstick. So this was the tutorial for today, guys. The best part about this entire tutorial has to be the highlighter. Invest on a good highlighter for an inner glow look, or good base. Base is so important. Invest on good face cream, sunscreen, which you can use for an everyday purpose, and something which works for you. Just try to use that on your face. I guess that's about it. That's all the talking which we did today in this video. I really enjoy talking you through this entire video because I get to connect with you a lot. Don't get me wrong, I love my voiceover videos. I will still do that in future, but sometimes I really miss talking to you in the video, so I thought to make this video like very talkative, so that's a very long outro. So yeah, for more of such videos, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon. It's important to do so because it's free and you will get notified whenever I post new videos on my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.